Yo, Wagwan, you're tuned into Click React, and I just realized that I'm late, but it's better late than never. They dropped a trailer for You, and if you guys don't know what that is, one of the best shows on Netflix, Season 4, Part 1. So I'm just going to be reacting to that trailer today. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know, man, if you're as excited about this as I am, and we're just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys later.
Jonathan
Oh,
Moore.
shit.
Why are you here?
Wait. This girl.
Did you kill
Wow.
someone?
Oh, did someone break your heart?
Did you break my heart, Marianne?
Oh, shit.
Heartbreak is always.
Oh, he killing a black girl this season.
You're a murderer, Joe.
You're wrong about me. I'm gonna prove it to you.
How are you gonna prove that to her?
Laying low is imperative.
Yo, honestly, I don't even remember what happened in season 3. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna definitely have to like rewatch that before I go onto this. But I'm trying to remember. I know I seen that girl in a different show. I'm just trying to remember if I saw her in seasons 3, 2, or 1. It's interesting. This looks epic though. So far, it looks like it's not just a town thing that's going on. This is big scale stuff.
Turns out teaching's fun and London's not so bad.
London.
I fell in with the most insane, damaged people on Earth. A circle of privileged douchebags.
How?
But I do miss having someone out there. Hello. No. No, I am not interested. Nope. Not interested. I don't want to
The
know.
fuck?
Oi! Where did you go?
Why does the universe keep doing this to me?
That's
Police
her.
are continuing to investigate a second murder among the elite.
They're calling him the Eat the Rich killer.
Oh, somebody's coming for him now.
Friends is the killer. Stop playing shitty Sherlock.
All motives
Oh,
always boil
shit.
down to sex.
Yo, this is gonna be crazy. This is actually be I've always thought like after season 2, I think I was just like, yo, how are they gonna keep making this show interesting? Because it's like every season he's gonna find somebody to obsess over and do the same shit. Like, but they actually, whoever this writer is, they are amazing. They are amazing.
Money or revenge.
Wow. Yo, what if it's his ex-wife? Holy. What the fuck?
Ran away from all this.
Oh, they posted his shit. That was his shit on the wall. I think that they posted like his murder. Wow.
One of you is
Wow,
watching
wow,
me.
wow, wow.
One of you is hiding in plain sight. So whom are
Low
you?
key, this might be the best season yet. Oh, no, I'm talking shit. Nothing can beat season 1 because like we were new to that, but this might be the best season after season 1. This is how it's looking. Oh
You steal
shit!
my spotlight, and I murder you.
I just want my little.
It's so crazy because now he's over here where they were joking about murder, right? Like the tables have turned.
European holiday back.
Damn. Oh shit. Part 1 and 2 February. Wow. Yeah, this is about to be epic. This is about to be epic. This is the only thing I think I'm going to be watching on Netflix anyways. Guys, if you're new to the channel, like I said before, don't forget to hit that sub button, man. Turn on those post notifications. Drop a like. And let me know, man, down in the comments, what do you think about the trailer? Are you amped? Because this shit's about to be crazy. I'll see you guys later.